Assalamualaikum to Dr. Nur Eliza. We from Group 23 will present about experiment E1, biochemical oxygen demand. Before that, I would like to introduce the member of my group, Mr. Elvan Shah bin Hamdan, Mr. Darman Ashfal bin Marali, Mrs. Jorina binti Kasim, Mrs. Razia binti Darwis, and myself, Muhammad Shahriar bin Awandinin.
Hello, my name is Razia. The introduction of biochemical oxygen demand. The BOD test is used to measure waste load to treatment plant, determine plant efficiency in terms of BOD removal, and control plant processes. It is also used to determine the effect of discharge on receiving waters. When a measurement is made of oxygen-consuming materials in a sample, the result is termed as total biochemical oxygen demand, or just simply biochemical oxygen demand, BOD.
Objective: to determine biological oxygen of surface water. Equipment: number 1, phosphate bubble capsule. 2, 3 BOD bottle. 3, incubator. And 4, dissolved oxygen meter.
I Jorina binti Kasim, and I will continue BOD treatment procedure. Completely fill 2 BOD bottles with dilution water. Second, in 2 additional BOD bottles, partially fill with dilution water. Carefully measure out the proper volume of sample. Add dilution water until the bottles are completely filled. Third, stopper each bottle, taking care to avoid trapping air bubbles inside the bottles as the bottle stoppers are inside. 4. Fill the top of each bottleneck around the stopper with dilution water. 5th, determine the initial DO content on one of each set duplicate bottles, including the dilution water blank, by one of approved method, and record data on the lab sheet. Place the remaining bottle in the incubator at 20 Celsius and incubate for 5 days. At the end of exactly 5 days, plus minus 3 hours, test the DO content of the incubated bottles.
Calculate the BOD for each dilution. The most accurate BOD will be obtained from those dilution that have a depletion of this 2 mg per liter DO and least 1.0 mg per liter DO residual. If there is more than one dilution that meets this criteria, the BOD result should be averaged to be obtained a final BOD value. The dilution water blanks are used only to check the quality of dilution water. If the quality of the water is good and free from impurities, the depletion of DO should be less than 0.2 mg per liter. In any event, do not use the depletion obtained as a blank correction. If nitrification inhibition is used, the BOD test must also be performed on series of sample dilution which have not been inhibited. Report the result of the nitrification inhibited samples as CBOD5 and uninhibited samples as BOD5.